It's my first time doing by myself. And look, there's also a science card picture on my card. For this experiment, we only need 3 things. Simple. We need a plate, a dry erase marker, and some water. Only 3 enough. The name of experiment is the magic water. In this experiment, I'm going to draw a man and it's going to be alive and it's going to move. Are you excited to do the experiment with me? Let's start! Now I'm going to be starting it. For now I'm going to keep the cap there. Now I'm going to draw a man. We're going to do a circle and this. You see? And now his eyes. 1, 2. Now I'm going to wait for 1 minute to it get dry. I think it's dry, so what's have to put a little bit water. It's only the one spot. More. Now I'm going to see if it moves or not moving. Look, it's moving! It was walking. See? The man got alive! Now I'm going to try to shake the plate a very little bit. It didn't break. Now I will try the spider and the balloon, but the look like the spider is trying to catch the balloon. See? Now let's close the cap so it won't get dry. Now let's get a little bit of water, okay? More. Now let's put, oopsies, I think I should. Now here's the fun part, we will try blowing it. See? What's it? The spider will get alive. Come on. But sometimes it could break, but don't worry, we can make it again. Now we start with the cute man. Yeah. I'm going to close the cap nice and tight. There's the man again. Now I need to add some water. Cold water. This is the cold water. More. Oh, man is moving. The man is moving and it's also running. Look, it's alive. also dancing. Look, it's like a ballerina. Why see the spider moving nicely? Look, it's moving, it's running. Now it's done. Press. See. Look, the spider is there. Do you see how it connects because of this sticky water? What is the conclusion of this experiment? The ink of the dry erase marker is insoluble, which means not get dissolved in the water. That's why if we put the water in the dish, the design floats up like a man is swimming. Thanks for watching my video, and you can also do this experiment at home because it's super duper easy and we only need less things and you don't need other things. Bye.